In this video, we are going to go over worksheet PL-16. This is about the distribution and combining like terms. So let's begin. So I'm going to do a couple of these questions in this homework video. I'm going to do number 7. And as you can see, there's just not very much room to write this. So you may want to rewrite it at the bottom. Some of these actually are not too bad. So let's take a look at 7. What we need to do is combine like terms. Now, like terms are terms that are, for example, 3a is like 7a because they both have a single a. 7b, let me go ahead and use something else. 7b, pink's pretty close. 7b is a different kind of term. Do we have any other b terms? I see none. And finally, let's look at our constants, or look at 4. 4 is a constant, which means kind of by itself. And we have no other numbers that are constants, like 4 or 8 or 9 or 11 or anything else. So we have basically 3 kinds of terms here. We have a terms, we have 2 a terms, we have a b term, and we have a constant. So what you do is you basically add up the, or combine like terms. So 3a, just positive 3a. You also have 7a, which it's positive, so 3a plus 7a. Well, that is just 10a. 3 plus 7 is 10. So that's 10a. And then we have 7b. And 7b is just kind of all on its own. And then we have 4. So our answer should be 10a. Let me rewrite that, actually. So we have 10a plus 7b plus 4. And that's it. We cannot combine the 10a's with the b's or with the constants. So that's our answer. Let's go ahead and try number 12. We have a b term right here. Any other b's? And a b by itself means it's 1b. So we have 1b. We also have another 2 b's. All right. That's it. We also have an a. That's 1a. You may want to write. I'll put a squiggly line for that. I have another 2 a's, another 1a right here. And then finally, I have this 1 by itself. So I guess I can use a squirrely line or maybe some kind of double line or triple line or something like that. But yeah, that's the only one. Oh, forgot to put the squiggly line under there. So 1b, let's do, you want to do it in order from the alphabetical order. So we want to start with the a's first. So we have 1a plus 2a plus 1a. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 a's. All right, what do we have next? Let's do the b's. We have, I may want to cross those off when I'm done with them. All right, we have 1b plus 2b, and that's it. 1b and 2b, that's 3b's, so plus 3b's. And finally, cross those off. I have this 1 hanging out over there, and it's just by itself, so plus 1. And that's our answer for a plus 3b plus 1. Let's go ahead and, so that's how you combine like terms. For exercises 13 to 22, you're going to simplify, which is, again, you're combining like terms. It gets a little bit more difficult because there is some distribution involved. So we've got these parentheses right here, and we have a 3 right outside of it. So what we need to do is we need to distribute this through. We need to multiply it by the x and multiply it by the 2 at the same time. So what we end up with is 3x. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. So 3x plus 6 plus this 5x. You want to bring that down. All right, so let's take a look at what we have. We have 3x, and we also have 3x and 5x. And then we have that 6, which is a constant. It's by itself. So 3x plus 5x is 8x. Oops. 8x. And then, so we're done with both of those. 6, well, that's just by itself. So it's 8x plus 6. And that's it. We distribute first, and then we combine the like terms. Let's try number 22, which seems kind of scary. you gotta do a little bit more than one distribution. So this is 6 times x and 6 times y, which is 6x, plus 6 times y is 6y. Sorry, that plus sign is kind of ugly. 6x plus 6y. I'm going to go ahead and bring down this plus y right here. Plus, all right, now I'm going to multiply 3 times x, which is 3x. Then I'm going to multiply 3 times 3, which is 9. So let's take a look at what kind of terms we have. We have, we have an x term right here and an x term right there. No more x's. We have a y term right here, and we have another y term right there. And then we have a constant, which I'm not going to highlight at all. And by the way, this y is just 1y. So let's, if we do it in alphabetical order, we should put the x's first, then the y's. So 6x plus 3x, that just equals 9x, and I'm going to write it on the side. So 9x, I'm done with both of those. I have 6y and 1y, which equals 7y. And then I have this 9 over here, and it's by itself. So it's just 9x plus 7y plus 9, and that's our answer. All right. So one more. I'm going to try number 23. They want us to write an expression for the perimeter of the polygon, simplify the expression. Now, the perimeter of something is the distance on the outside. So what we need to do is add up all the sides. So we're going to add up x plus 2x plus 7 plus 3x plus 1. So we are adding up all the sides. I'm going to rewrite the whole thing. X plus 2x plus 7, which comes from here, plus this last side, 3x plus 1. All right. We have x terms and we have constants, so let's do our x terms first. I'm going to underline it. These two x terms. No, 3x terms. Almost missed one. And this right here is not just x, it's 1x. So we have 3x terms. I have 1x plus 2x plus 3x. And that equals 6x, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. And then, so I'm done with those. Cross those out. I have 7, and I have 1 now, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So 6x plus 8. And that's it. That's how you solve this. For the next one, for 24, we have another one, and we need to add up all of those sides and then simplify that. But I'm going to let you try that on your own. So go ahead and try the rest of the problems on your own.